In this video, I will discuss parabola with vertex at the origin in the form x squared equals 4py. Notice that in the equation of the parabola, the right side is always the linear expression. This is where we determine the opening of the parabola, and on the left side is the squared expression. This is like saying as y is equal to something that is x squared. This kind of parabola opens either up or down. When p is positive, your parabola opens up. When your p is negative, your parabola opens down. Bear in mind that your focus is p units away from the vertex and also your directrix. And to graph this parabola, we need two more points which are 2p units away from that focus. And this is what your parabola looks like. Here is our example number 1 for this type of parabola. X squared equals negative 12y. Notice that it follows the form x squared equals 4py, and we know that this parabola will open either up or down. If the value of p is positive, the opening of the parabola will be upward. And if the value of p is negative, your parabola will open downward. To find the value of p, we need to equate 4p to negative 12. Now, we have the value of p as negative 3. Therefore, the parabola opens downward. Let us try to use the absolute value of p first. It means to say that from the vertex, your focus is 3 units away from the vertex, and also your directrix. Now, we need 2 more points to graph this parabola, which is 2p each away from the focus. The value of your p is 3 or negative 3 times 2, that's 6 or negative 6. It means to say that from the focus, you need to count 6 units to the right and 6 units to the left. This is how your parabola looks like. And we are down to our second example. X squared is equal to 8y. Notice that it follows the same form as x squared equals 4py. We know that this parabola has vertex at 0, 0. Again, the opening of this parabola is dependent on the value of p. If the value of p is positive, your parabola opens upward. And if the value of p is negative, your parabola opens downward. To find the value of p, let us equate 4p to 8. Now, we have the value of p as 2. It means to say that from the vertex, your focus is 2 units away from the vertex. And also, your directrix. To graph this parabola, we need 2 more points again. That is 2p each from the focus. The value of p is equal to 2. Therefore, if you substitute it, you got 4 units. So you need to count 4 units away from the focus to the right and 4 units away from the focus to the left. And this is your graph looks like.